There went 7.
Good man, good man. Opens it up like he's gonna take half. Good man.
Numero 8.
I'll start 8. Just get it started at least.
And big bite, big bite. Come on.
Oh, fuck a big bite.
You have to discipline.
Like to finish all 25 of them.
Yeah, I mean, even if you don't make it, but like, go out with honor, man. Don't go out the way you know, dragging ass.
Pull it out. Go in the wrap. You getting cold sweats yet?
Oh. I've had them for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've gone away. You're looking. Come on, get another bite, DC. Good man. Take another bite, man.
Take another bite. Come on.
Take another bite.
Take
Just
another
get
bite.
on it.
Come on.
You got this, DC.
Come on.
Beat this. Don't let this beat you.
Another bite so you can start chewing. You gotta chew something. You gotta be chewing something. You gotta be working.
Maybe next time I just need to let it go.
No, man. Don't give up. Fight, man. You lack discipline. You lack discipline. Don't let it go. Just eat. Good man.
Yeah!
There you go, man. Good man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot of Slim Jims. Man, just start packing it away.
You got this, DC. Come on. All you got is what? How many more?
I don't want to think about how many more.
God, I mean, it's not that many.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing it. Don't let a measly Slim Jim get you down. Come on, man.
The hardest challenge in North America. The Slim Jim Sig Sauer eating contest.
Let's think about when that chick asked, "Oh, what a nice cig you have."
Oh!
All right.
We only got Slim Jims for a year. For another day.
Have some water.
Hold on a minute.
There ain't no more. That's all of them. Come on, I'll know when you're done because I'll see chicken.
Couple French fries. Well, I'm digested now.
Don't spray my Slim Jim. I was planning on taking another bite.
No, nothing got on there.
Okay.
You'll be alright. Nothing got on there.
I'll tell you what. Let me smoke a cigarette.
Yeah.
And I'll come in for another bite.